Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jotform for subscription signups with Stripe step by step clearly. Log into your Jotform account. Create a new form or open an existing one. Select the Form Elements option from the left sidebar. Drag and drop the payment field onto your form. Choose Stripe from the list of payment processors. Click on the Connect with Stripe button. Log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you don't have one. Allow Jotform access to your Stripe account. Once connected, set the payment type to subscription. Configure the subscription options based on your requirements. Enter the plan details including the name, amount, and billing cycle. Add any trial periods or setup fees if applicable. Add any additional elements like text fields or images as needed. Preview the form to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Test the form to check the payment and subscription process. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Save your form. Publish the form by clicking the Publish button. Share the form link or embed it on your website as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.